In this video, I will show you step by step how to connect your Namecheap domain to GitHub. So make sure to watch this video until the end and follow every single step, and then it will work. So what you want to go and do first is open up Namecheap and go to your account and click on dashboard right here. From your dashboard, go to your domain list, and then here find the domain you want to connect to GitHub. So for me, danistutorials.online, and click manage. Now from here, simply go and copy your domain and then open up GitHub. Now you will need to have a repository. So when you create a repository, you can click new, give it a name, and for the visibility, it needs to be public, and you can add readme, so turn that on and click create repository. Now I already have one, so I'll just open up the one I already have right here. Now you need to readme so that you actually have a website that it can link to. And from there, after opening up the repository, go to settings. And then here what you want to do is go to pages, and from within pages scroll down until you see custom domain. And here just paste in the domain you just copied and click save. Now what will then happen is DNS check in progress, but we haven't set up DNS yet, so just click on this link right here and open it up. And then here click managing a custom domain for your GitHub pages site. Now here scroll down a bit until you see this section with the A records. So go and copy this first one, and what you will notice is they're all the same except it's 108, 109, 110, 111. So keep that in mind and open up Namecheap. From there go to your advanced DNS. By the way, make sure that under name servers it's set to Namecheap basic DNS. Then go to your advanced DNS here. And what you want to go and do first is, if you already have some records, just go and delete those. And then click add new record, set it to an A record, and add this add icon, and then just paste this in and click on save changes. From there again add a new record, again add, and then instead of 108 this one was 109. So then click save changes and do that 2 more times. So an A record, host add, then this is gonna be 110, and then again save changes. Add new record, A record, and this is the last one. So here add 111 and click save changes. Then there's one more thing we need to add. So as you can see in this same page, if you scroll down a bit further, you will be able to find a section where they go over the CNAME. So navigate to your DNS provider and create a CNAME record for www subdomain, and the site is located at user.github.io. So to use this, simply go back to GitHub, and in the top left you will see your username. So for me it's danistutorials13-ai, so just copy this now, go back to Namecheap and add a new record, and create a CNAME record. Now for the host, type in www, for the target, your username on GitHub, and then .github.io. Then click save changes again. And that is all the DNS records you need set up. So now go back to GitHub, and now you can see DNS check successful. This can actually take quite a bit of time, so just wait for that to finish up. And if you followed all the steps I showed you, it will work. So basically after this says successful, at the top you'll see your site is live at, and then it should be your domain right here. So your Namecheap domains, in my case danistutorials.online, and then when you click visit site it should take you there. Now it can again take a little bit of time to propagate, and after that's done it will be fully linked. So that's all you need to do to connect your Namecheap domain to GitHub. So it's quite simple. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.